Etiquette, the word alone can sound stuffy and boring, but what if we told you there's a way to make learning etiquette fun and exciting? Introducing the Etiquette Adventure Challenge, a unique activity that combines essential manners with physical activity. Get ready to navigate an obstacle course while practicing your best etiquette skills. It's a surefire way to make learning memorable and engaging for everyone involved. This isn't your average obstacle course, it's a chance to test your knowledge of social graces while getting your heart rate up. Imagine jumping over hurdles, then stopping to deliver the perfect handshake. Picture yourself weaving through cones, then pausing to set a proper table. The Etiquette Adventure Challenge is all about making etiquette practical, fun, and anything but dull. The Etiquette Adventure Challenge isn't just about having a good time, though there's plenty of that. This activity offers a wealth of benefits for participants of all ages. First and foremost, it teaches valuable etiquette skills that are essential for navigating social and professional settings with grace. From handshakes to introductions, participants will gain confidence in their ability to make a positive impression. Beyond etiquette, this activity promotes physical activity and teamwork. As participants navigate the course, they'll be moving their bodies and engaging in friendly competition. The challenges often require collaboration, encouraging participants to work together and build camaraderie. Whether you're a seasoned etiquette expert or just starting, the Etiquette Adventure Challenge is a fun and effective way to learn, grow, and connect with others. Creating your Etiquette Adventure Challenge course is easier than you might think. You can set it up indoors or outdoors, adapting it to fit your space. Gather some simple materials like colorful cones, ropes, tables, chairs, place settings, and anything else you can use to create fun and challenging obstacles. Start by designing a course that's both engaging and safe. Use cones and ropes to create a pathway with twists, turns, and obstacles to overcome. You can get creative with the design, incorporating elements that will test different etiquette skills. The key is to make it visually appealing and exciting for participants to navigate. The Etiquette Adventure Challenge is a carefully crafted blend of physical agility and social prowess. Participants navigate the obstacle course, tackling physical challenges and etiquette tests along the way. Each obstacle presents a unique opportunity to demonstrate their knowledge of proper etiquette. Imagine this, you're weaving through a series of cones, your heart pounding with anticipation. Then you come to a sudden stop. Before you lies a table set for a formal dinner. Your challenge? To set the table correctly, remembering the proper placement of each utensil and plate. Only then can you proceed to the next exciting challenge. The heart of the Etiquette Adventure Challenge lies in its clever integration of etiquette challenges. These challenges are strategically placed throughout the obstacle course, requiring participants to pause their physical endeavors and put their etiquette knowledge into action. These challenges can be as simple as a proper handshake or as intricate as a formal introduction. One moment, participants might find themselves hopping on one foot while reciting the rules of proper phone etiquette. The next, they could be challenged to write a heartfelt thank you note while maintaining their balance on a wobbly platform. In the Etiquette Adventure Challenge, everyone who participates wins by gaining valuable skills and having a great time. If you're looking to add a competitive element, you can certainly declare a winner based on speed and accuracy. The participant who completes the course correctly in the shortest amount of time is crowned the Etiquette Champion. However, the true victory lies in the shared experience and the knowledge gained along the way. The Etiquette Adventure Challenge is about encouraging one another, celebrating successes, and embracing the learning process. It's about creating a positive and supportive environment where everyone feels comfortable practicing their etiquette skills. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, comment, and follow us on YouTube for more training activities and resources. For training requirements in colleges or corporate settings, contact Knowledge Center for Language and Studies at 9994 608479.